Jhari Falls is one of the most popular waterfalls located in the Chikmagalur district in Karnataka state. The falls visiting time is from morning 8 am to 5 pm. In this duration only they will allow to visit you the waterfalls. To visit this waterfalls you need to hire the jeep. It's a cost of 600 for maximum 6 people. It will be a 4-kilometer jeep riding to the waterfalls. Our own vehicles are restricted to enter this coffee estate because these roads are very bad and there is no parking place at base of the waterfalls, so they will avoid the private vehicle entries to this coffee estate. This Jhari Falls is nearby Mullayanagiri and Baba Budangiri. After this jeep ride, we need to hike 1 kilometer to the waterfalls. It will be a very risky to walk on the road in the monsoon season. So please wear the hiking shoes and raincoats if you are visiting at the monsoon season. This waterfalls is also called as the buttermilk waterfall. Now let's enjoy the view of the waterfall. We'll see you in next video. Please share, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.